Hey you guys, welcome! Are you ready to dive into the world of Taba Squishies? Because they are super cute, super satisfying, and pretty much taking over the internet. We're gonna find out everything there is to know about these adorable little stress toys. Let's do this! Okay, so, you know when you're just scrolling, maybe on TikTok or Instagram, and you see these adorable little blobs? They're just so squishable and cute. People are poking them, stretching them, and they look like they're having so much fun. Yeah, you've totally seen them, right? They're everywhere. Well, you're definitely not the only one wondering what's up. Let's get to the bottom of this squishy craze.
All right, so first things first, what even is a Taba Squishy? I promise it's way more than just a cute little face. It's kind of like the ultimate fidget toy, and we're about to break down exactly what makes them so awesome. Basically, a Taba Squishy is a super soft, totally squeezable toy that's perfect for when you're feeling a little stressed. And the name? Oh my gosh, the name is just as cute. Taba is actually Japanese for bundle, so you can think of it like a little bundle of fun. How perfect is that? It's literally a little bundle of joy you can hold right in your hand. So what's the secret sauce? What makes these things so special? Well, it's all about the features. First, the texture is just everything. It's so soft, so stretchy, sometimes even a little fuzzy. And the designs? You can get anything from a koala to a little cat paw. So cute. But the real magic is this special material they're made from. It's called thermoplastic rubber, or TPR for short. It's what gives them that super satisfying, slow-rising squish. And wait, it gets better. Some of them have little surprises inside, like pom-poms, for even more fun. Okay, so we know what they are, but why is everyone so obsessed with them? I mean, it's a full-on craze. It's not just a toy, it's a whole vibe. It's all about that kawaii culture, you know, the Japanese word for cute, and our love for those super satisfying videos online. So what's the deal? Why does everyone love them so much? Let's figure it out. You know those moments when you're just kind of bored or stressed out, or you just can't sit still? We all get them. Well, that's where the magic of the Taba Squishy comes in. It completely changes that feeling. Just squeezing and stretching it is so satisfying. It takes you from feeling antsy to having fun. It's like an instant mood booster you can literally carry around in your pocket.
So yeah, the obsession really comes down to three main things. First, awesome stress relief. You can literally just squeeze your worries away. Second, they're amazing for sensory play. Perfect for when you need to focus while you're studying or just calm down a bit. And third, they are the cutest gifts. I mean, come on, who wouldn't want a squishy koala? You'd be the best gift giver ever.
This quote just says it all, right? The perfect desk toy for when you just need to fidget. Totally. Imagine you're doing homework and you just need something for your hands to do so your brain can focus. That's what these are for. It's like its superpower, the perfect little desk buddy. And that got me thinking, what if you could make your very own? Yes, this is the best part. You're already a total expert on what Taba Squishies are and why they're so cool. So now it's time to become a creator. That's right, we're gonna learn how to make your own custom squishy right from your own home. Let's get creative. All right, mission briefing. First, we need our supplies. And the best part? You probably have all this stuff already. It's super simple things, okay? Like white glue, cornstarch, a little soap, some lotion, and Vaseline. And then you just need a mold. And this can be anything. A star shape, a heart, whatever you want your squishy to be. Ready? It's just 4 super easy steps. First, you're gonna mix. Just combine the glue, cornstarch, soap, and lotion all together. Easy. Second, mold. Pour that goopy mixture right into whatever mold you picked. Step 3 is set. Okay, this is the part where we have to be a little patient. You just let it sit until it gets all firm and, well, squishy. And then the best step, step 4, is squeeze. You just pop it out of the mold and ta-da, you have your very own homemade Taba Squishy. And that's it, you're done. You know all the secrets now. You know what they are, why everyone loves them, and you know how to make your own. You are now a Taba Squishy master. How cool is that? So, there's only one question left, and it's a big one. Now that you're a squishy master, what amazing squishy are you going to create first? Are you going to make a little cat paw? Or maybe a sparkly star? A mini donut? Oh my gosh, the possibilities are endless. So go on, get creative, and have so much fun squishing.